Today we have some concerning news about the Betelgeuse supernova, which could potentially impact our planet. Recently, the James Webb Telescope made some startling findings that indicate that this supernova could erupt in 2023. In this video, we'll explore what this means for Earth and what actions we can take to prepare for this catastrophic event. What is the Betelgeuse supernova? Firstly, let's understand what the Betelgeuse supernova is. The Betelgeuse supernova is a fascinating astronomical phenomenon that has intrigued scientists and stargazers alike for decades. Betelgeuse, which is a red supergiant star, is located in the Orion constellation, which is visible to the naked eye from Earth. This star is massive, around 20 times the mass of our Sun, and is nearing the end of its life cycle. When a star like Betelgeuse exhausts its fuel, it starts to collapse under its own gravity. This process causes the star's core to heat up, and eventually, the outer layers of the star are blown off in a massive explosion known as a supernova. What makes Betelgeuse so interesting is that it's known to be an unstable star, and scientists have been monitoring it closely for signs of imminent explosion. If Betelgeuse does go supernova, it will be visible from Earth, even during the day. This would be an extraordinary event and would provide a unique opportunity for astronomers to study this phenomenon up close. However, it's essential to note that while the James Webb Telescope's recent findings on Betelgeuse are intriguing, there's still a lot we don't know about this star and the timing of its eventual supernova. What did the James Webb Telescope find? For those who don't know, the James Webb Telescope is a state-of-the-art space observatory that's currently orbiting Earth, and it's equipped with some of the most advanced technology for studying the universe. Recently, this incredible telescope made some significant findings about the Betelgeuse supernova that have piqued the interest of astronomers around the world. According to the telescope's data, Betelgeuse has been dimming, which could be a sign that the star is starting to collapse. Scientists believe that this dimming may be due to the accumulation of dust in front of the star, which is blocking some of its light. This is a concerning development because Betelgeuse is known to be an unstable star, and any change in its behavior could indicate that it's about to go supernova. While the James Webb Telescope's findings are fascinating, it's important to note that they're not conclusive, and scientists still don't know exactly when Betelgeuse will go supernova. However, these findings have given astronomers a better understanding of this star's behavior, and it's exciting to think about what we might learn if and when Betelgeuse does go supernova. What does this mean for Earth? If Betelgeuse does go supernova, it could have significant consequences for Earth. For starters, the supernova would release an enormous amount of energy, including radiation and cosmic rays, which could harm our planet's atmosphere. This could lead to increased radiation exposure, and the Earth's ozone layer could be severely damaged, exposing us to harmful ultraviolet radiation from the Sun. Betelgeuse's potential supernova is a captivating event, but many people are wondering what this means for Earth. There's a popular misconception that a supernova would pose a life-threatening event to our planet. However, in reality, the chances of a supernova causing any significant damage to Earth are incredibly slim. While a supernova would be an incredible sight to see, and it would likely produce some stunning celestial displays, it's unlikely to have a direct impact on our planet. Betelgeuse is located about 600 light-years away from Earth, which means that even if it did go supernova, we wouldn't be in any immediate danger. That being said, a supernova could have some indirect effects on Earth. For example, the explosion could produce high-energy cosmic rays that could reach our planet and potentially affect our atmosphere. Additionally, a supernova could produce large amounts of dust and debris that could block out the sun's rays and cause temporary climate changes. However, it's important to note that these effects are relatively minor and unlikely to cause any significant harm to our planet or its inhabitants. Betelgeuse's potential supernova is a fascinating event, and it's exciting to think about what we might learn from it. While it's unlikely to pose any direct threat to Earth, it's still worth keeping an eye on for now. What could we see during the Betelgeuse supernova? One of the most exciting things about the potential Betelgeuse supernova is the incredible visual spectacle it could provide. Can you imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a star suddenly become so bright that it outshines the full moon? It would be a breathtaking and unforgettable experience. During the initial explosion, Betelgeuse would become incredibly bright, potentially visible during the day and casting shadows at night. It would be visible in the sky for weeks or even months, gradually fading as the explosion dissipates. It's hard to even imagine the scale of the explosion and the impact it could have on our night sky. As the supernova progresses, it could produce a stunning light show with colorful auroras, cosmic rays, and other atmospheric phenomena. The shockwave from the explosion could also create a burst of high-energy particles that could produce beautiful visual effects in the sky, such as shimmering curtains of light. While we can't predict exactly what we'll see during a Betelgeuse supernova, one thing is certain: it would be an awe-inspiring event that would leave a lasting impression on anyone lucky enough to witness it. It would remind us of the incredible power and beauty of the universe, and it would give us a chance to witness one of the most spectacular events in the history of astronomy. How can we prepare for Betelgeuse supernova? While Betelgeuse's potential supernova is unlikely to pose a direct threat to Earth, it's still a significant event that astronomers and scientists are monitoring closely. So how can we prepare for such an event? The truth is, there's not much we can do to prepare for Betelgeuse's supernova. As I mentioned earlier, the star is located about 600 light-years away from Earth, which means that any potential effects on our planet would be minimal. However, it's still essential for astronomers and scientists to continue monitoring Betelgeuse's behavior and gathering as much data as possible on this fascinating star. By studying Betelgeuse and other stars like it, we can gain a better understanding of how the universe works and how stars evolve over time. Additionally, studying the supernova up close could provide us with valuable insights into the origins of the universe and the fundamental forces that govern it. So while we can't prepare for Betelgeuse's potential supernova in the traditional sense, we can continue to observe and learn from this incredible event. What could Betelgeuse's supernova teach us about the universe? Betelgeuse's potential supernova is an exciting event for astronomers because it could provide us with valuable insights into the nature of the universe. As mentioned earlier, supernovae are some of the most energetic events in the universe, and they produce massive explosions that release enormous amounts of energy and matter into space. Studying a supernova up close could give us a better understanding of how stars are born, how they live and die, and how they contribute to the evolution of the universe. Additionally, a supernova could produce elements that are essential for life, such as carbon, oxygen, and iron, which could help us understand the origins of life on Earth and in the universe. Not only that, Betelgeuse's potential supernova could help us understand the mysterious dark energy that is thought to be responsible for the accelerating expansion of the universe. Scientists believe that studying supernova could help us determine the properties of dark energy and shed light on one of the biggest mysteries in physics. Betelgeuse's potential supernova is an incredible event that has captured the attention and imagination of people all over the world. Even though it's not likely to pose any immediate danger to our planet, it's a fascinating event that could give us a better understanding of the universe and our place in it. By studying Betelgeuse and other stars like it, we can learn more about the mysteries of the universe, including how stars are born, how they live and die, and how they contribute to the evolution of the universe. We can also learn more about the essential elements that make life possible and how they are created and dispersed throughout the universe. If you're as captivated by astronomy as we are, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. We'll keep you up to date on the latest discoveries